Going up to the second floor. I gotta get to the fifth floor.
Hey guys, Taylor here, the Fit Expat, back with another video. China is a big place. It's filled with a lot of interesting and fascinating things to see. There's also a lot of random things. You might be walking down the street one day and you see something and you're just like, what the fuck did I just see? Like, let's say maybe an abandoned Boeing 737 on top of a roof. Yeah, last week I heard about this abandoned airplane on top of a roof of a shopping mall close to the airport in Guangzhou. So I'm not sure if it's true. I'm gonna go check it out today. Let's go see. All right, so I just got off the train at Jiahuangdong Station. It's on line 3 of the Guangzhou Metro. It's pretty close to the airport. It's about 4 stops away from the airport. Now, I gotta find this mall. I think that's it there. I think that's the mall just down the street there. That has to be it. And apparently, this Boeing 737 is on the roof of this mall. So, let's go and see if we can find it. So after looking at some of the pictures on my WeChat, there's no way that the plane could be on that roof because the buildings around it, when I see the pictures, they look different. So I'm walking down this way. I think it's got to be this one down here. Let's go. I found it. I can see the nose of the plane there. Can you see up there? There's a fucking plane on the roof. Be hard to see now, but I found the building. Now I know I'm in the right place. I am going to go up to the top and go check it out. Here's the fucking mall, and you can see the plane on top of this roof, but the fucking mall is closed. What are the chances of that? It's a Tuesday at 11 o'clock in the morning. These places are usually open. The lights are out. It's closed. Yeah, it's I don't know if we can go in here. It's completely closed. How do we can get to the roof anyway? There's not a single place open in here. This is pretty creepy, actually. Shit. I wonder how we get to the 5th floor. Why is this place not open? Holy shit. This is really weird. It's a weekday. And this shopping mall's full with stuff, but I mean, there's nobody here. This is creepy. How the fuck? I'm looking for an elevator. I don't think there is one. What's up here? There's somebody there. Wow. What about this escalator? It's dark in here. Going up to the 2nd floor. I gotta get to the 5th floor. It doesn't seem like there's an elevator. place closed 11 a.m. on a weekday. I hear some people. There must be like a school in here or something. 4th floor. Nothing here. This place is deserted. Look at this. Okay. Going up. This is it. Whoa. There it is. I don't think I can go on the roof. I thought you could go on there. Seems like it's closed. Yeah. There's a Boeing 737 on the roof. So it is true. Huh. I wonder if we can get out there. I don't think I can get onto the roof. All the doors seem to be locked. Let's go see if we can find an open door. This place is deserted. Get a better look at the plane over here. There it is. Wow. That is random as hell. So I guess we can't go on the plane, obviously. We can't even go near it. Unless I can somehow get outside, I don't know. Huh. Doesn't seem to be a way out of here. Or at least not one that's open. Now all these doors are locked. Shit. All right, well, that's cool. There's a Boeing 737 on a roof. That's what this mall is famous for, I guess. But this mall sucks. It's 11 a.m. on a weekday and it's deserted. It's like a ghost mall. Yeah. But there's a plane on the roof. Anyway, fuck this place. Let's go get something to eat. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm back now. That was one of the weirdest malls I've ever been to in my life. Creepy as hell. Just deserted at 11 o'clock in the morning, 11:30 in the morning on a weekday. Really weird. An abandoned Boeing 737 on the roof. One of the weirdest malls I've ever been in, but that's the kind of things you see here in China. You know, I've been here for 6 years. I haven't even scratched the surface. There are so many things to see in China. Amazing things and really strange things as well. This was just an example of it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on life in China, as well as some amazing food videos, fitness videos, and beer videos coming your way. Until next time, this is Taylor, the Fit Expat. Have a great day.